telekinesis video. Today we're gonna talk about the question, how hard is it to learn telekinesis? I see in the comments more and more comments like, hey, I practiced for 2 days now and I still can't do telekinesis. What am I doing wrong? And if you ever ask yourself that, or if you ever comment a comment like this is for you. How hard is it to learn telekinesis? It is very, very difficult. I want you to compare it to something like mastering chess. Try to be one of the best 1% in playing chess. I'm talking about playing tournaments against the best players in the world and win. That's how hard it is to learn telekinesis. You know, those tournament players, how much they practice, how long they had to learn to play like this. They had to learn strategies. They had to learn how to focus, build the discipline for years and decades. They didn't learn this in 2 days, or a week, or a year. They have learned it over a lifetime. Over a lifetime. You cannot learn this in 2 days. Of course, there's going to be a progress in a few months, but you cannot master it. I am doing telekinesis for over 15 years, and I haven't mastered it either. I haven't mastered it either. Well, yes, I'm a guru. I'm teaching telekinesis, but I'm still learning. So, for you, please do not get discouraged. And remember what telekinesis is really about. It's not about moving an object back and forth with your mind. It's just a bonus. It's about learning to focus, improving your life, getting better, learning a new skill, learning to be a better person, being kinder, cleaner, more organized. That's what I teach. That's what I teach, not just to move an object back and forth. That's just a bonus. I want you to think about that. Do you really have the discipline to practice telekinesis for 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, knowing that the results might never come, or just in little amounts? It's very important for you to know why you want to learn telekinesis. But that's a topic for another video. So, by the way, learning how to play chess in particular can help you to learn telekinesis. It's a game where you have to focus a lot to become good at it. So if I were you, I would get a chessboard and play with your siblings or your parents or a friend. It's fun. It's actually fun. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you.